welcome back, friends. Today I'm gonna embroider this cute little friends and let us see how it goes. If you have been following me since past 1 week, you would be knowing that I am making a 30-day embroidery challenge and today is the day 12. So let us just complete his face and eyes and everything, and then we'll be starting with his body part. Guys, I'm enjoying this embroidery challenge day by day and always learning something new with each day going by. And if you are enjoying my creations over here, and I would recommend you to watch them if you haven't till yet. And if you're enjoying these creations with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and be with me for further more videos. Just completed his eye like this. Now it's time for the body outline, and I'm using the stem stitch. Using all the 6 strands and making small stem stitches like this to complete all over his body part. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to support me here, and just finish his mouth stitch like this with the straight stitches. Get rid of any extra strands if you are there, and just finish it up. Now finishing the ears. I'm simply making a satin stitch and filling up that area. for all of the ears over here like this. And now it's time for the wooden log, and for that again I'm going to use the same satin stitch and just embroider the outlines and the detail parts. So here it is. I like the outcome, and make the water effect with the running stitch. You can use any shade of blue, like I'm using a very light shade, and now interlacing it like this. Just push it a little inside and it's done. Similarly, make another layer of running stitches. I'm not going to interlace everything, but just making a nice effect of a water thing. So now I'm pretty done with the water stuff, and now just embroidering the outlines for making sure that they look like they are in a forest. This is a cute idea for a little hobby thing for any embroiderist to make a little hobby ideas over here with a little not too much, like not making too much of things for a landscape, but just a little outlined style of landscapes. Make sure you